Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best butterfly earring backs is probably one of the most important yet overlooked accessories for your earrings. In this video, we will explore why choosing the right butterfly earring backs is crucial for comfort, security, and the longevity of your favorite earrings, examining various factors such as materials, sizes, and designs to help you find the perfect match for your precious jewelry, ensuring they stay securely in place and look great all day long. Number 5. Earring Backings Kit. This kit has everything you need to keep your earrings secure and comfortable. It includes 1080 earring backs in 10 different styles and colors. With 10 different styles, you'll find the perfect match for any pair of earrings. They're designed to be comfortable and secure, no matter the style. These earring backs are made from high-grade alloy and plastic with embedded rubber for extra comfort and durability. They're also non-toxic and lightweight. Whether you have hooks, posts, or rings, these backs will keep your earrings securely in place. They're flexible and easy to use. The kit comes with a handy 10-compartment plastic box for easy organization and storage. Keep your earring backs neatly sorted and ready to use. This comprehensive kit ensures you'll never lose an earring again. It's the perfect solution for keeping your earrings safe and stylish. These earring backs are designed for comfort and security. Remember to keep them away from children, as they are small parts. We're dedicated to your satisfaction. If you have any issues, contact us for 24/7 support. Your happiness is our priority. What we like? It has 10 different styles and colors to choose from, so you can find the perfect match for any outfit. They're made from comfortable materials, ensuring all-day wear without irritation. If you're on a budget but need a large variety, this is the set for you. What people say. Variety of earring backs, large quantity of each, in a sturdy case with compartments. Lid snaps closed easily and firmly. Small enough so it doesn't take up too much drawer or counter space. There are more backs than I can use in my lifetime, but at the price point for the variety, it's wonderful. There's something to fit every type of earring. At least one of these backs will fit any earring. Number 4. 300 PCS Butterfly Earring Backs. These earring backs are perfect for crafting and repairing earrings. They're made of durable stainless steel and come in a pack of 300. They're crafted from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring they're strong, reliable, and resistant to tarnish. Enjoy long-lasting use. The sleek silver finish adds a touch of elegance to any earring design. They're subtle yet stylish. Each back measures 6 by 4.5 mm with a 0.7 mm hole, making them ideal for a variety of earring styles. You get 300 pieces in one convenient package. These are small parts, so please keep them away from children under 12. Adult supervision is recommended. Use them for your crafting projects or to repair your favorite earrings. They're a must-have for any jewelry maker or enthusiast. What we like? This bulk pack offers incredible value with 300 pieces. Made from durable stainless steel, it ensures long-lasting use. If you need a large quantity of reliable earring backs, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The first thing I noticed about these earring backs is the high-quality stainless steel material. They feel sturdy and durable, ensuring they won't bend or break easily. The 6 by 4.5 mm size is ideal for standard post earrings. They fit snugly on the earring posts, providing a secure hold without being too tight. With 300 pieces in the pack, this purchase offers fantastic value for money. It's great to have a bulk supply. Number 3. BEADNOVA 14K Gold Earring Backs. These elegant earring backs are perfect for securing your favorite studs. They're made of authentic 14K gold for a luxurious look and feel. At 4.7 by 5.4 mm, they fit most earring posts. Lightweight and comfortable, you'll barely notice them. Made from authentic 14K gold, these backs are hypoallergenic and resistant to rust, corrosion, and tarnishing. They're built to last. Your set of 6 gold earring backs comes in a clear plastic box for easy storage and carrying. Always have replacements on hand. Never worry about losing an earring back again. They're also perfect for jewelry makers and DIY enthusiasts. These versatile earring backs are a must-have for anyone who values quality and style. Upgrade your jewelry experience today. What we like. These earring backs are made from authentic 14K gold, making them hypoallergenic and perfect for sensitive skin. They add a touch of luxury to your jewelry. If you value quality and are looking for a luxurious feel, these are for you. What people say. Fit well. A beautiful addition to my earrings. They hold securely in place. Perfect size for my gold stud earring from People's Jewelers. Nice and snug but not too snug. Number 2. Silver-plated earring backs. These earring backs are 6 by 4.5 by 3 mm, fitting most standard studs comfortably and securely. They're the perfect size for everyday wear or special occasions. Made from high-quality, hypoallergenic material, they're lightweight, safe, and durable. Enjoy long-lasting wear without worrying about irritation or discoloration. The unique butterfly design provides a secure hold for your earrings. Its concave center and convex edges offer superior support compared to plastic backs. This 30-piece set provides ample replacements, saving you money in the frustration of lost backs. They're perfect for everyday use or crafting your own jewelry. These earring backs make a thoughtful and practical gift for women of all ages. They're perfect for birthdays, weddings, or any special occasion. What we like. Made from high-quality hypoallergenic materials, these earring backs are gentle on sensitive skin and provide a secure hold. They offer great value for the price. If you prioritize hypoallergenic materials and a secure fit without breaking the bank, these are ideal. What people say. Losing the back of an earring is a great annoyance. Having these replacement backs is a huge help. They're made of sterling silver, so they're easy on the ears and will match sterling silver posts. The backing holds onto the post through the spring action of the little curls. There is no silicone or plastic. The pad of the backing is a proportionate size. It's big enough, but not overly large. The backing will accommodate both thicker and thinner, 20 GA and 18 GA, posts. Number 1. Ritastephens Butterfly Earring Backs. These exquisite earring backs add a touch of elegance to your favorite earrings. Available in 14K yellow, rose pink, or white gold, they're the perfect finishing touch. Experience the superior quality and lasting shine of 14K gold. They're crafted to provide both beauty and durability. Choose from classic yellow gold, romantic rose pink, or timeless white gold to match your style and jewelry collection. They come in 2 convenient sizes, small and regular, ensuring a perfect fit for all your earrings. Find the ideal size for your comfort and style. These earring backs are designed for seamless integration with your earrings, adding a touch of sophistication without being overwhelming. They're the perfect subtle accessory. Complete your look with these beautiful and functional earring backs. They're a small detail that makes a big difference. What we like. Available in 14K yellow, rose, and white gold, these earring backs offer a luxurious touch and match any style. They are a perfect addition to your high-end jewelry collection. If you appreciate luxury and want to add a touch of elegance, these are perfect for you. What people say. They are just tight enough to stay put as long as you need. They have a very good grip and easy to use. They are the perfect size and do a great job securing your earring in place. The hole is the same size as the backings I'm replacing, which was what I was mainly worried about. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.